Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change brake pads on a Honda Accord. Begin by parking safely, engaging parking brake, and placing wheel chocks immediately. Then loosen lug nuts slightly while car is on the ground, jack the car at the specified lift point, and remove the wheel to access the caliper assembly so you can inspect rotors, pads, and hardware before proceeding to caliper removal. For caliper removal, unbolt the caliper mounting bolts. Then carefully slide the caliper off the rotor and support it to prevent hose strain. Inspect the piston and dust boot for damage, remove old pads and any retaining clips, and use a C-clamp or piston tool to compress the piston evenly while watching the brake fluid reservoir level to avoid overflow before fitting new pads and hardware. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping parts and snacks separate when you work on brakes, and they stack neatly in the trunk so nothing rolls around during a road test. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When installing new pads, coat the metal-to-metal contact points lightly with high-temperature brake grease and ensure anti-rattle clips and shims are correctly seated. Position the pads properly, guide the caliper back over the rotor, torque the mounting bolts to factory specification, remount the wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern before performing a brake pedal test to bed new pads safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.